Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shrikar and my friend Anish who will guide you throughout this video and the walkthrough of Fawn Linux machine which is in the Hack the Box. So let's get right into the video. Hack the box and just go right to the starting point and try to connect it to the IP address which is assigned. So as we can see in the task 1, what does the 3-letter acronym FTP stand for? So as we know that it's file transfer protocol. So let's type in that file transfer protocol. Okay, and submit the answer. As you can see, success. Task flag is owned. Okay, now let's go to the task 2. What communication model does FTP use architecturally speaking of? So let's go right to the terminal and let's press sudo nmap. So as you can see, nmap has been started. Let's minimize the window, and as you can see, what is a communication model that is the FTP uses is let's find out by using nmap. Okay, let's go back to the terminal. Okay, as we can see, we got a trace route, network distances, end of status. Okay, and our miss FTP login allowed. FTP code is 230. Okay, as we can see, the ports has been scanned, and let's just okay. As we can see, okay, anonymous FTP login allowed. FTP code 230. Okay, let's minimize the hood. So the communication model of this is client server model. So let's type in that client server model. Okay, let's submit the answer. Let's check it out. Yeah, done. So let's go to task 3. What is the name of one popular GUI FTP program? So let's go back to your terminal. So as we can see, there's a version server status. Okay, let's minimize that. Yeah, if you type in the Google, you will get the name as FileZilla. So let's type out that FileZilla. Okay, let's submit that answer. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah. So task number 4, which port is the FTP service active on usually? So let's go back to the terminal as we done before. As we can see, we have got the answer for that. So let's minimize that, and the port number is C1 TCP. Yep, done. Yeah, so let's go to the next task. What acronym is used for the secure version of FTP? So secure version of FTP. Okay, so that might be SFTP. Submit the answer. Yeah, it's correct. So let's go to the next task. Yeah, what is the command we can use to test our connection to the target? So that might be no, wait. Yeah, ping. Yeah, obviously it will be ping. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So next task. For your scene, what version is FTP running? Okay, let's go back to terminal. Okay, let's copy that and let's paste it over here and let's submit the answer. That's correct. Okay, let's go to the next task. From your scans, what OS typing is running on the target? So let's go back, and that is Linux. Sorry, Unix. Yeah, you can copy that and you can paste it right over there. Yep, submit the answer. Yeah, done. So let's submit the root flag. Okay, we tried using pasting the IP address which I assigned to. So let's it didn't work out. So let's try pressing hydra hyphen root IP root, and let's just give that IP address which they have mentioned. Okay, let's go back and reverse FTP. Okay, URL. Sorry, I given spaces. So let's go back. Okay, FTP hyphen double colon. Okay, and let's press the IP address which he has assigned us. Okay, so attacking, okay, attacking confirmed, 1 out of 1 target completed, but 0 password is found. So to do that, let's just minimize that and let's just create a document, empty file, and let's just rename that as password. Okay, password txt. Okay, let's just open that, open with it, and after that, just maximize that screen. Let's just press root and just press enter, root, and just paste the anonymous clip from there, and yeah, backspace, press enter. Let's go to the next line. Let's press FTP. Okay, let's minimize and go back. Let's go up. Yeah, it's font. So let's copy that. Okay, font. Okay, it's font. Okay, so let's go back. Just font. Okay, so file. Let's just save that and just minimize that, and let's go back to the terminal. Okay, let's go back to the terminal and okay, let's just press okay, let's just press, wait a minute, let's just well, let's press exit. Let's just exit that thing. Wait a minute, press exit. Okay, done. Okay, let's just clear Hydra. Okay, we have done that. L. So if you guys don't know what this all are, just press help and you'll find the commands what for. Okay, just press. So I'm giving the location of the file which I have saved recently, the one which I have renamed as password.txt. So I'm just giving the location of that file. So I just saved that in home and in Kali, and I think I have to yeah, desktop. I saved that in desktop, right? So let's just no, wait a minute. I think yeah, desktop. Okay, and this doesn't work if you don't specify the name mention, if you don't mention the caps too. So let's just do that. Let's see whether it works or not. And if you have a doubt, you can go to the file and just press file location and you will get the file location. Let's press this. Let's paste that. Paste into clipboard and just press yeah, before pressing enter, let's press okay, let's just check whether the spaces are correct or not. And yeah, font FTP. Let's press, just give the space to it and just save it. Let's check whether it will be, yeah, okay, it's saved. Press, yeah, just cross it. Okay, let's just go back. Okay, press FTP again and just go back and just copy the IP address which he has given and FTP, paste it. Okay, and yeah, enter. As you can see that 5 valid passwords found. So the passwords are font, root, anonymous, FTP. See, you can get the login and passwords like that. So there are 5 valid passwords found, 1 out of 1 target successfully completed by using Hydra command. Okay, it's finished. Okay, let's press FTP and the IP address. Okay, it's connected. Okay, name of Kali. So the login password is anonymous. So the last one we need to find. So let's press paste that and please specify the password. The password is okay, login successful using binary code to transfer files ftpx. Yes, okay, directly send it ex. Okay, so as you can see, press help. By pressing help you can find the commands, and by sending the commands we'll just search for what we need. And Okay, it might be around here. Wait a minute. Runtime. FTP send fl flag.txt. Okay, can't open such file or directory. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's maximize that. Okay. Okay, I think that might be get. Let's see, is get right over here? Yeah, there's get. Let's press get. Get file. Get file. Let's press the file flag. Get flag, and just press the .txt and press enter. Yeah, transfer completed. Okay, okay. 32 bytes received. Okay, okay, we got it. So let's go back to the. Let's go back to the home. Let's open the flag.txt. Let's open with it. Okay, we got that. So let's copy that. Okay, let's copy that and let's go back to our hack the box window. Okay, so that is the root flag, guys. So let's paste it and let's submit that. That's all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Jobless Developer. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.